Bad mind, bad mind, bad mind.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. I'm a forward for all a little reasoning. Cause MAVADO of the whole place attack. Because the man posts a little controversial pic of himself. And him a compare himself to being a god. So people, when me forward back, me just gonna break it down and make you know everything what go on. Telling you my thoughts and telling you where the people them must say, telling you where the streets them must say. And you know, where IG I say, cause for IG impose it, you know. You know what I mean? Alright.
Them things are prophecy. Right in front of your man, done dreams in a reality. Let me tell you this, tomorrow no promise to no man, me live on iconically.
Every know what they done, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me are
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know, you see me?
And YouTube, you know, come in say YouTube, that chop and such chop, yo.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Break it chop, I said.
It's exploded right now.
So enough with the suspense. Me I go telling you what MAVADO really do. MAVADO took it to Instagram and post a pic of himself. See the picture there. See you know say where MAVADO try say right now, him a the god or I don't know. That I just what Chaddy try. Say MAVADO try say. Me no know. But him post a picture that represent him himself as a god. And you don't know say him call himself gully god already. Well, people never really like that term they being the gully god. That's from one long time argument. But I think people it forward get to understand and come over the conclusion. Say, yo, yeah, him a the gully god. And then him spell him name with Chaddy. And enough other people call themselves the god. You know say Bounty Killer call himself the ground god and spell him name with still the Chaddy. And you know say Papi have a bag of song where say he must say yo him a god in I hurt and all of these things. People never really take it bad. I mean when they talk just a forward in the dance hall I did something new, I did something fresh. People are say a blaspheme. People are say yo no MAVADO should do that. No the dancehall artists them should do that. But then MAVADO take it to a next level. Him turn up the temperature a little with this pitch diameter because it have everybody in a frenzy. It have the whole internet in a frenzy. Not saying everybody a bash MAVADO. No, everybody now bash MAVADO. Some people interpret it as him a compare himself, not necessarily comparing himself with a god, but him a say him want to be like a god, or him want to be pure and not evil, nah, nothing like that. Which Christian Mike say that is blasphemy. You see me? Me have a Christian belief, but me am a Christian, so me can't tell you that if I blaspheme, yes or no. But what me can do, I tell you know the meaning of blaspheme. Okay, Google. What's the meaning of blasphemy?
Here's the definition of blasphemy. The act or offense of speaking sacrilegiously about God or sacred things, profane talk.
Okay, thank you. Boy, Googling easy, I use some big word per man. Anyway, basically what me get from the definition here, if you try compare yourself of a God, you blaspheme. If you try compare yourself with Jesus, you blaspheme. If you say you are the God and me if you worship, or if people are worship on God way, you don't say I'm a Jesus or God, or you don't know what I mean. You blaspheme right. That's so that me get from it. People who are Christian and I watch my channel, the Chaddy channel, which I wonder if Christian really watch my channel. Anyway, that's another topic for another story. Uno comment in the comment section and tell me if you feel say MAVADO wrong. If you feel say MAVADO should not post this pic of himself looking like a god, looking like Jesus. You see me? Tell me in the comment section what you think. I'm gonna read out a couple comments under the pic. You see me? And the first notable comment we me see is from guess who? Scatterbarrel. And you don't know say them man then really say God. Him is what you call a atheist. Him not believe in a no form of God. Him feel say himself is a God. Anyway, him say God himself with the two and emoji them. You know what it go. And a bag of people comment under it. And you know say a war gonna be under the comment section. And him a reply to the person and say, if you know your history, you would understand we are all gods, all connected to the universe. Scatter, me don't know where you talk about right there, so. But him argue with some people under the comment section. You see me? And here is another comment. Posting something like this is truly wrong. This means you get high-minded. Now you see yourself as the most high God. God has mercy on your soul. Well, I think the person should have said, God have mercy on your soul. But at that them say, you see it. And you know, say a bag of cussing under that right now. And another person comment, if I did one white man in the picture, people wouldn't have said it too far. So it's mixed reaction, people, mixed reaction. But tell me where you think you feel like say MAVADO take it a little bit too far. Because from my knowledge, you know, MAVADO is a very, very God-fearing person. But that's how me I think. Tell me where Uno I think. Me now go telling you my opinion on this right here. So me just make Uno decide in the comment section. So take it to the comment section and make me know what Uno I think. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and as always, thanks for watching. If it's the first time you're watching the Chaddy More TV, if I first time you watch a video from me, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. And you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy, at I am DJ CHADDY. People, you remember, like up the video as well. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.
We not in a nothing with you. If you're not showing no progress, man, figure through life without no stress. Be friends with some people that's hopeless. Cause them man on no progress, now them a school. I just saw them tongue